In front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down to access apps. Then click on App Lock and choose Turn On. Finally, create your pattern that you will use to lock your apps. Repeat it in order to confirm it. And tap on Next at the bottom right corner. Now you can log in to your Mi account by tapping on Sign In and Add. You can also tap on Not Now, wait 5 seconds and choose Not Now again in the pop-up. If you wish to lock all of those apps right away, click on Use App Lock. If you don't, you need to tap on all of them. Check for 0 and tap on Use App Lock then. You can also use your fingerprint to unlock your apps. In order to do that, click on Settings in the pop-up and follow all of the presented instructions. I will go with Cancel though. Now, to lock one of your apps, click on the switcher next to it. You can disable app lock from it by tapping on the same, now blue one. I will lock, for example, Amazon Shopping, so when I click and try to access this app, icons that pattern is now required. In order to disable app lock completely, go into the same settings, enter your pattern, and tap on this gear icon at the top right corner. Then select this switcher next to App Lock and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!